This basically outlines what could be affected from removing this shingle right here. Okay, so let's get started. I don't think this is gonna. All right, so first, this crease just now. No, not my hammer. All right, so. Oh boy, yeah. I just delaminated this right here. Okay, so this is going to go all the way up to here. Okay, so the two above it are going to be affected. So I'm going to go to this shingle right here. Okay. That just creased it. Hold on a second. Okay, so that just, I don't know if you can even see because of the lens, but yeah, we've got multiple creases right here. That just creased right here. Okay, as you want, in order to effectively nail these, the pry bar needs to go to the top of the hammer right here. It's measured for that reason. That's how high you have to have it in order to hit it without clipping your shingles. And so as you can see, these are already creasing right here and here. It creased right here. I don't know if you can see that, but right here, it creased right here and right here. You can clearly see that right there is creased. By the way, to give you some reference, you can't say I lifted it too high because I'm not even halfway up. Not even up. I'm not even past my first knuckle. It's already creased. Alright, so we're going to remove this shingle. In order to do that, we have to find the nails. These are clearly overdriven, so I'm not able to get them without lifting. Okay. So clearly that's, I'm not able to get up underneath that either, as you can see. I'm gonna try to move it. So those are clearly too far down below it. So I'll have to go up underneath. Yeah, those are driven in far. Same here, I gotta go up underneath. Driven in, they won't even come up to the shingle. Right here, I'm not able to get it, I gotta go underneath. So, no, actually I don't have to, that's right. That's overdriven. Look, that's another one. You can't repair it without lifting it or tearing it off now. So we know that just went straight. That ain't even, that's not even, that's crazy. Wow. Oh wow, that just tore right there. I'm hoping you saw that, and it's creased. Come on, baby. There we go. Should be coming out. Oh, no, there's one. That's already failed. I mean, it's just creased everywhere. Okay. Here's the D-ring. Get my phone out here. Take some pictures.